running down there. Last time I had put a video up, the car was still breaking up. Ended up finding that issue. The car, well, the MPI wasn't installed all the way or correctly, so that was my own fault. But nonetheless, car is fixed now. The car's been running pretty good. If you've seen the shorts I put up recently, you know that the car is actually pulling now. It's not breaking up or doing anything crazy. So, but we need to get another log in, so that's what we're doing now. I'll probably pick the camera back up when we're getting ready to make a rip, and we'll see what she does. Alrighty, we're about to make a hit. We are recording. We're gonna go from 2,000 to 6,500 and forth. So we're gonna get ready to go here in a second. Wait until it straightens out. Alrighty, let's give her the beans. Dude, oh my god. This bitch is fast. Like, I would say, well, for one, I haven't felt power like that in God knows how long. I haven't been able to do pulls in months because of the issues that I had been having with the car. So, but, dude, oh my goodness. Like, the Mustang I had, full bolt-on 93 Gen 1 Coyote base model GT, that shit moved, but this is definitely on track to, it's gonna be faster than that for sure, especially once we get on E. This shit's gonna be eating. I think right now we're on about 30 pounds, I'm not too sure. I definitely have to check that next time I get the chance, but dude, no problems, no check engine lights, nothing, just straight power all the way through. So we're making some improvements. Just a little daily driver. Dude, overall, not gonna lie, I am so fucking happy. If you have an MQB car and you're hesitant about going with a bigger turbo and stuff like that, dude, let me just tell you right now, just do it. Pull the trigger and do it. Car's mint. I drive it every day and it just works. So, but I'm about to head back up inside, probably put this little video together, fill you guys in on kind of the whole process and how it's been going. But so far so good, and won't be long before we start getting back in the streets. But I'll catch y'all on the flip.